Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I use my iPad to stay productive, creative and entertained, from video editing to gaming and online classes and so on. I'll show you how I make the most of my iPad setup, so let's get started. First, let's take a look at my iPad setup. I've connected my iPad to this beautiful monitor, which gives me a larger screen to work with. This is perfect for tasks that requires more screen space, like video editing, designing, and entertainment. First, I go to the settings and connect with Wi-Fi and make some changes. For now, I don't have a Wi-Fi, so I will simply connect it to my phone network. Good thing about iPad is that I can connect to my monitor using Type-C cable and use it just like any other PC, which is kind of cool. So for web browsing, I simply use Safari and do all kinds of search and research on my monitor. With a bigger screen like this, makes things easier to see. And whenever I get tired, I just disconnect the iPad to the monitor and use the iPad instead. If you want to know more about the monitor, you can check out the video. So just click on the I button on the top right corner. I also use YouTube Studio mostly on my iPad. One of my favorite things to do on the iPad is video editing with a powerful chipset and editing software. So for video editing, I use VN Editor, which is very simple and easy to use. I do most of the editing with this software. Any beginner or even professional can use this software. It has all the necessary tools needed for editing video. Gaming is another great way to have fun on the iPad, although I'm not a heavy gamer, but I do play light game whenever I get bored. So first I download all the necessary games on the App Store and play whenever I get time, whether on the monitor or on the iPad itself. Right now my desk setup is kind of in a rough situation. This is just a temporary desk setup. I have a plan to set up my whole new room. Until the time comes, this is gonna be my comfort zone, where I do all the kinds of stuff in this very table. Some other games need a remote control, then I'm gonna have to purchase separately. Other than that, I do most of the gaming using mouse. This game definitely needs a remote control. It's pointless without a remote. I also would like to try other heavy games, so if you guys have any suggestion, please let me know in the comments. Another great way to use this iPad is my go-to device for online classes, also taking the advantage of the larger screen monitor while connecting to the iPad. For the online class platform, I mostly use Coursera and Udemy. I do use other platforms as well according to the availability of the course. But yeah, mostly I use Coursera and Udemy, of which some of them are paid and some of them are free. Designing is another creative pursuit that I enjoy on my iPad with the Apple Pencil. For more ideas, I use Pinterest, where there is a whole lot of design available online. There are a lot of good furniture ideas that I intend to make for my room as well as for the house. So it's a great way to look for ideas such as Pinterest, where there is an unlimited source of design. If you are interested, you can check out my other channel. It's called Design and Build Stuff, where I showcase all the woodwork, which is one of my thing that I'm really passionate about. Though I'm not good at it, but still I enjoy making it bring to life after designing it. You can check that out. Canva is also another amazing software where I do a lot of editing, whether from video or picture. It's a good tool for any starters or professionals. I enjoy using this software. It's been nice to finally talk, as I was always been in lack of confidence, so it makes me feel better to finally let it out and start talking. So it has been a new experience making this video, and if you have been watching till the end of this video, I thank you and appreciate you for following along till the end of this video. And if you do like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified whenever I upload the next video. So once again, I thank you, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye bye.